Hello everyone. Before starting the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Introduction. In this video, I will demonstrate how to access the Unifi Network Server Web Management Interface locally, from another desktop, laptop, or mobile device. Why do we need local remote access? Network management and monitoring applications are usually installed on dedicated servers, with sufficient hardware resources. These servers are typically deployed in fixed locations, such as server rooms, or data centers, and are assigned static IP addresses. For example, suppose the Unifi Network Server application is installed on a server, located in a server room or data center. Whenever we need to monitor the network, make configuration changes or troubleshoot issues, it would be inconvenient to physically visit the server room each time just to access the Unifi management interface. To make administration easier and more efficient, we can access the Unifi web management interface remotely, from another desktop, laptop, or mobile device, connected to the same local network. This allows us to manage and monitor the Unifi environment from anywhere within the network, without requiring physical access to the server. Prerequisites. Before accessing the Unifi Network Server from another device, make sure the following requirements are met. Number 1. IP address of the server. We must know the static IP address of the server machine, on which the Unifi Network Server application is installed. Number 2. Login credentials. We must have the correct login credentials, I mean, the username and password, to log into the Unifi Network Web Management Server. Number 3. Same network connectivity and communication. The PC, laptop, or mobile device must be connected to the same network as the server. Similarly, the PC, laptop, or mobile must be able to communicate with the server. We can check the communication with the server by pinging the server's IP address. Number 4. Web access port. We must know the HTTPS port number used by the Unifi Network Server, especially if the port number has been changed from the default settings. Once these requirements are fulfilled, we can access the Unifi Network Server Web Management Interface from any device on the local network. So, without wasting further time, let's proceed towards the practical section. Accessing the Unifi Network Web Management Server from a remote PC. This is the server machine, where I have installed and configured the Unifi Network application. As we can see, the application shortcut is available on the desktop. I have assigned a static IP address to this machine. Let me show you the IP address. To check the IP address, I will open the Network Adapters page. Then, I will right-click the Ethernet adapter, select Status, and then click the Details button. Here, we can see, the static IP address assigned to this server is 10.0.2.100. Now, let's verify that the Unifi Network application is using the same IP address. I will open a web browser, where I have accessed the Unifi Network Web Management Interface. On the main page, we can see that the application is using the same IP address, 10.0.2.100. If we open the Unifi Devices tab, we can see 3 access points that have been added to the Unifi network. Later in this video, when we access the Unifi Network interface from a remote PC, I will show you that we are connected to this same server. Now, let's see how to access the Unifi Network Web Management Server from another computer on the same network. This is a desktop computer, connected to the same network. Before accessing the server, we should verify that the desktop PC can communicate with the server machine. To check the connectivity and communication with the server machine, I will open Command Prompt and type the following command. Ping, followed by the IP address of the server, which is 10.0.2.100. Once typed the command, press the Enter button on the keyboard. As we can see, the server responds successfully. This confirms that the server and the desktop PC are on the same network and can communicate with each other. Next, I will open a web browser to access the Unifi Network Web Management Server from this PC. In the address bar, enter the following URL: https:// IP address of the server machine, https port number, / manage. The Unifi Network application is currently using the default HTTPS port, 8443. If we have changed the port number, make sure we have entered the correct one. After entering the URL, press the Enter button. We may see a security warning page. Click Advanced, then click the link to continue to the website. The Unifi Network login page will appear. Enter the username and password, then click on the Sign In button. We are now logged in. On the main page, we can see that the server IP address is 10.0.2.100, which confirms that we are connected to the correct Unifi network server. If we open the Unifi Devices tab, we can see the same access points that were shown earlier. This confirms that we have successfully accessed and logged in to the Unifi Network Web Management Interface from a remote PC connected to the same local network. The same procedure is applied to all other devices like laptops and mobile phones. I hope this video helps you. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. Next video. Changing Unifi Network Web Access Ports. In the next video, I will demonstrate how to change the Unifi Network Web Management Access Ports from their default settings. So, don't forget to watch the next video.